Is your Volkswagen Atlas key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. We'll focus on the straightforward process applicable to most 2018-2024 Atlas models. The Volkswagen Atlas key fob typically uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Some smart keys might use a CR2450, so double-check your owner's manual or the old battery itself. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob without scratching it. Replacement batteries are readily available online or at most drugstores for around $5 to $10. First, locate the emergency key release button on the back of your key fob. This small button is usually found near the key ring attachment. Press and hold this button to slide out the physical emergency key. The key will extend slightly, revealing a slot underneath where it was stored. Now use the flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently insert it into the small slot where the key was. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob case. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic. Once the fob is open, you'll see the battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should usually be facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. Make sure the battery is seated securely. With the new battery installed, carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Snap them back together firmly until you hear a click, ensuring they're secure. Turn off your vehicle to avoid accidental triggering, then test the key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Volkswagen Atlas remotely. If it works, the replacement is complete. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side faces up, as indicated in the fob's design. Next, verify the battery is new and fully charged. Use the correct CR2032 lithium coin cell battery type for optimal performance. Inspect the battery contacts inside the fob for any corrosion. If found, gently clean them using isopropyl alcohol to restore proper connection. In rare cases, the key fob may require reprogramming. Try holding the lock and unlock buttons for 10 seconds, or consult a dealer for smart key systems. Important tips and safety precautions for replacing your VW Atlas key fob battery. Always dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Lithium batteries pose fire and explosion hazards if thrown away incorrectly, so contact your local recycling facility for safe disposal. Avoid short-circuiting the battery during replacement. Short-circuiting can cause sparks or damage. Use insulated tools and avoid touching the positive and negative terminals together. If you're working with a smart key, make sure the vehicle is turned off to prevent accidental triggering. This avoids unintended actions like locking doors or setting off the alarm during the process. For best results and to avoid potential warranty issues, consider using an OEM Volkswagen battery. OEM batteries are designed specifically for your vehicle, providing better longevity and compatibility than generic options. While the CR2032 battery replacement is standard now, future Volkswagen Atlas models, especially electric vehicles, may feature more advanced key systems. These could include rechargeable batteries that never need manual replacement, or NFC-based smartphone keys that eliminate physical fobs altogether. Volkswagen is also focusing on more sustainable key fob components to reduce environmental impact.